Hello, my name is Sarah Clark. I'm an advisor and instructor in the math department. You completed the ALEKS placement test as part of the University START program, and in this video I will answer some of the frequently asked questions about the ALEKS math placement test. Some of the most common questions we get about the placement test are, what does your score mean and what math course can I sign up for? What if I have AP scores, IB scores, or math credit from another college? What can you do if you would like to improve your math placement, and why might you want to improve your placement? Finally, what you should do once you improve your placement score. Here is the placement guide. If you score between 75 and 100, you are able to take Math 251, Differential Calculus, or 227, a biology-focused differential calculus course. If you score between 60 and 74, you can sign up for Math 112 Trigonometry, Math 231 Discrete Math, Math 241 Business Calculus, Math 245 Math for Management, Life, and Social Science. If you score between 46 and 59, you can sign up for Math 105 Intro to Contemporary Math, Math 111 College Algebra, or Math 211 Foundations for Elementary Math. If you score between 30 and 45, you can sign up for Math 103 Algebraic Reasoning. This is an intermediate algebra course. And if you score between 15 and 29, you can sign up for Math 65 Beginning Algebra. The math course or courses you will need to take will depend on your major. Part of the discussion you'll have with your advisor will be about what course or courses you have placed into and what will be required for your major. If you have AP scores, IB scores, or math credits from another college, these will also be taken into account for your placement. We will allow you to take the highest course you place into based on the placement test or your AP scores, IB scores, and previous college credit. For example, if you took the Calculus AB AP test and scored a 3, you would earn credit for Math 251. You would then be allowed to register for Math 252 Integral Calculus. Some students do choose to take a course below what they place into so they can review before moving on. If this is an option you would like to take, please discuss it with your advisor. The ALEKS Math placement test does allow you to review your skills and then retake the placement test. After taking your initial placement test, you will get the option to work in one of the 3 prep and learning modules. ALEKS will make a suggestion based on your placement test results, but you can choose a prep and learning module for college algebra, pre-calculus, which is trigonometry, or calculus. Once you select your prep and learning module, you cannot change your selection. You will need to work on or review problems for at least 3 hours before you will be able to take the placement test a second time. Also, you will need to wait 48 hours between placement test attempts. Your new score will automatically be sent to the OSU registration system. However, scores are only sent twice a day at 7:15 a.m. and 3:45 p.m. Some additional items to be aware of in regards to math placement. First, some courses outside of the math department have math prerequisite requirements. For example, Chemistry 231 requires at least Math 111 or placement into Math 111, meaning that Math 111 and Chemistry 231 can be taken concurrently. You should check with your advisor to see if any other courses you are required to take have a math prerequisite. Second, it is very important when you are taking or retaking the placement test to get no help from outside resources. We want you to take the math course you are ready for and you will be successful in. Lastly, if you do retake the placement test and score into a higher math course, be sure to inform your advisor. This could impact your schedule for the fall term and beyond. It is important that you have the correct math placement for the fall, so if you have any additional questions about math placement, please visit our math placement FAQ page at math.oregonstate.edu/mlc-placement-FAQ. You can also email mathplacement@math.oregonstate.edu with specific questions.